Hello folks, and welcome to my personal review of the Auvio, that's how it's pronounced, AUVIO, Bluetooth portable speaker. And of course the model number on this particular one is basically 4000375. So this particular Bluetooth speaker, that's this thing right here, well, I had it for a while, and I just like to tell you more about it, so you have a good idea what what it's about. Well, as you can see, it's small, it's compact. It's got its got controls on top of here. You got your volume controls here. Your play button is in the middle. You can tell this is kind of worn out a little bit because I had it for a while. But that's your play button in the middle, and also it's you gotta basically you hit this that also answer the phone. Yes, this is definitely a speaker for your speakerphone too. So you definitely use it for that. And also these controls right here, this and this, that's just to go forward or backwards on the music you're playing. I'll demonstrate that in a moment. Got these indicator lights here. That's for the speaker. That's actually a microphone, I believe. And that's the Bluetooth light right there. And of course, that's the battery. Of course, there it is right there. It's also got, as you notice, a interesting grill on it, which is cool, Alright, I'm also showing you, basically I'm showing everything before I show you the other stuff. It's very light, and of course your on and off switches in the back, and you got these ports here. You got the auxiliary in port. Apparently, I believe that's for when you got like portable music and you don't want to use the Bluetooth function. You just plug in here and play music through here, just like a regular speaker. So you plug your music in there, in that port. That's the charging port. And as you know, it's got the micro USB port. There's a big difference between micro and mini. Mini is the little one that's on your cell phone, and the micro is the one that was basically a USB port that was out before they came out with the mini. So this plug is a little bit different. I'm sure you have in a moment. And of course, there's your on and off switch there. And like I said, it's very light. Only thing is, if you like to put this in a backpack, like for which I did, it's not too scratched up, and you can barely see the little scratches here and there. But I had it for a while, and the only way you would notice any scratches on this is if you look really, really carefully. It's not really noticeable. There's a little scratch here and there and everything, but it still works. I had this for a while. Well, let me demonstrate. Instead of me telling you, let me show you. All right. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this tablet to demonstrate how easy it is to hook this speaker up to anything that's Bluetooth enabled. So, I'm going to turn the speaker on first. And as you notice, it's you heard that little sound there, and that flickering light there. Right now, it's looking for a Bluetooth electronic item to hook up to. So right now, it doesn't see anything, so it's waiting for something to be paired up to it. So we're going to do that right now, and I'm going to do it with this tablet. So I already got it on my. Oh, by the way, let me show you a little quick. Just for those who's trying to figure out how to do this, I'm going to start from the beginning. Just basically any Android or whatever device you have, go into the settings part of your device. I'm not sure about how people do on Apple, but I'm pretty sure it's pretty much like the same way you go to settings And on this one, you look for a little thing that looks like a sprocket. Hit that. Look for Bluetooth, which will be over here somewhere on your screen. Smack on that. Look on through here. I got all sorts of stuff already hooked up here, but the one I'm looking for is the one for Bluetooth. Right now, it was searching for my Bluetooth item. It just found it. And there it is. So I tap on that. It's pairing up with it. That little beep you just heard, it's paired up. It just paired up with this tablet. And I'm going to show you something. Just keep an eye on that. You see? Instead of being red and blue, now it's just on and off blue light coming on and off. It's paired up with the tablet. So, now we're going to play with it a little bit. Alright, let's head on to YouTube. Come on. There we go. Let's go back a little bit. Oh yeah, I'm playing around with my playlist. It's on my channel, by the way. This particular playlist is on my YouTube channel. Is called Jerome Q Favorites. You may want to play around with this too yourself when you get a chance. So I'm just gonna pick anything on here. Pick some music. All these videos are on YouTube, by the way. All these videos. All of them are on YouTube. So, let's pick something here. Yeah? Not yet. Okay, that was my wife. Oh. Alright, let's do this. I'll pick this one.
New Final Phase available now at Shea Homes Jewelry. When you live in a Shea Homes community, each day.
There you go. Pretty good sound, isn't it? I'm going to turn the volume up from here. Oh, it's already on the maximum. But you also can control it from the tablet or your cell phone, you know, to move it up and down. Now, you're thinking to yourself right now, oh, that's not too loud. You may be thinking that, right? Well, the beauty about this is you can turn up even louder using the controls on this. Check it out. See what I mean? And also, you can turn it down. Now remember the controls I was telling you about? Here and here, check this out. Oh, it just moved on to one of my other videos. Oops, we don't want that. That's rocking, isn't it? And with the same controls, depending on what app you got running, you can control it on your tablet or on your phone. That's actually you got no pause there. That wasn't the speaker. It was something going on the tablet just now. All right. Now, let me turn it down a little bit. Alright, so remember I was telling you about the plugs you can plug up into the plug that you can plug up in here to charge up. Basically, any old charger would do, any 5-volt charger. But make sure you're not using the mini. What I mean by that? Alright, that's the mini. That's the mini plug. I don't think you can see it. It's real small, you know. See that? Real small. The one you want to use is the micro USB port, which is a little thicker. This is the port that came out before they came out with the mini for USB. So this is the one you want to use. Make sure at the end of the plug it has this, of course. And basically all you have to do, plug this into here. Put that there. And plug it into your thing here. Plug it up. And once you plug this up, a little red light will come on here, right there, and you know you're charging. When it's finished charging, that red light will disappear, letting you know that it's fully charged. So that's cool. That's really nice. Let's play with this a little more. Also, it will work. It will still be working. You can charge it up while it's plugged up. It'll charge while it's still on. Another little neat thing I want to show you. Hold up, let me grab this. Sorry about this, folks. I'm bumping against the camera here. Sorry about that. Alright. This one of those. This is the battery pack I talked about earlier. Take that plug out. You can do this with any battery pack, really. See that? See? That's the red light. It's charging right now. So if you're nowhere near a plug, you know, the plug is up, you can always plug it into a battery pack and you're good to go. You can think of the possibilities of what you can do with this. Alright. Let's see what else can we play with. By the way, all this great music you hear is on my playlist on my YouTube channel. feel free to stop by and listen to it. When you look up my channel, look for playlists. I got like 3 of them. One of them is Remembering Schoolhouse Rock. For those of you who remember, you know, those programs on that came on TV that educate us about different stuff. Of course, this list, Jerome Q's favorites, and the other one, my likes. So, enjoy those. Okay, let's see, what else? Well, let's see what else is on my little... See, I'm not even touching the tablet. That's the beauty of it. Once you have this paired up with your tablet, and you can do the same thing with your cell phone too. You control all your plug options from the speaker system itself. Remember, all these videos are on YouTube. I'm not, you know, this is not my music, okay? All this is on YouTube. Alright. Still charging. So, hope you like this presentation. Share this with your friends so you get some insight about this particular Bluetooth speaker, because I like it, as you can see. Oh yeah, remember you about the sound thing. You can turn the volume to the maximum on your device, but if you want it to be really loud, you also basically go on here, hit the plus or minus signs, depending on if you want it loud or lower. Turn down sound. And also, you can pause the music just by hitting the middle button. See? Stopped. Then start it up again. That's it. I'm doing all this. I'm controlling the device over here with this over here.
What?
No. We don't want to. No cursing. No, we can't do that. All this music you hear is on my playlist, and also this music is on YouTube. So, I must just got a message. Oh well. That's what you'll notice with this too. If your cell phone or your device has messaging on it, and a message comes through, whatever sound is associated with that message right there will try to play through the speaker also. So you'll hear a little pause, like a little lowering, like you just hear it. And then your music still be playing, you can still hear it, but you know, as you already noticed, it went down, you heard what you need to hear, and then it went back up. Now, keep in mind that if you put this in your backpack, keep in mind that it may scratch against stuff inside your backpack, and because of that, you may get little scrapes on the front grill. But depending on what you got in your back pocket, it shouldn't be too bad. Me, I'm a heavy user. You know, I kind of go hard with my stuff, so that's why those scratches are there. But as you can see, it's durable. It's still working. There's a few times I actually dropped my backpack with this inside of it. More than once. And it's still working. So, keep that in mind. Uh-oh, gotta do that. So, hope you enjoyed this presentation, and feel free to subscribe to my channel and share this with your friends. May everyone have a lovely day. It's one of my favorite songs.